we're gonna make some rose water while this dries.
Yes, I'm walking around my neighborhood looking for some jasmine flowers. Hopefully there's one on this street because I look fucking scary. Holy shit. Okay. There's one. Jesus, they really trimmed this bush. There's like no flowers. I'm going for the next block to see if there's any more jasmine flowers. It's ridiculous. This is not enough for my mixture. Okay. Found some. Pluck. Okay, should we go for more, or do you think these 4 flowers are fine? Okay, I'm just gonna walk a little bit more. So on this block, I don't think there's any more jasmine flowers. There's some stalks right there, but this is somebody's property, so I have to keep looking. I know I'm ridiculous, guys. We found our roses for the rose water. Look at how beautiful they are. We found our roses for the rose water. Look at how beautiful they are. These are my findings for the rose water. So now I have to rinse them and peel these petals off. Now we just let her sit for 20 to 30 minutes. I know I didn't really cover all the petals like I should have with water, but I think this is pretty good. Oops. Gotta wash his face. He feels so good. 10% less scary. Now to check on our rose water. I'm just gonna get this little spoon to stir it. Okay, it's looking, oh, it's boiling already. Okay. Oh, the water's already turning pink. Just putting good intentions in my water. Love and peace. So now I'm just waiting for it to cool down. Now we're just gonna pour rose water into the container to cool. These are the petals that are left over. RIP petals. Thanks for the rose water.